Good day everyone. In this short video clip, we will discuss the different types of neuron. First is sensory neuron. From the word itself, sensory, may kinalaman siya sa ating senses. So ganito ang kanyang function. Input from the environment or sensory input from the environment will trigger sensory neuron. So the signal or the impulse will be passed on our sensory neuron, and then the sensory neuron will convey it to the brain, forming or interpreting and having now sensory information. So this is the pathway for sensory neuron. Example, physical and chemical stimuli. Physical stimuli are touch, sight, and hearing. Chemical stimuli naman are example, taste and smell, right? So those stimuli will trigger the sensory neuron, and the sensory neuron will pass it to the brain for interpretation. So that is the role of the sensory neuron. Ang kanyang end goal is for sensory information. The stimuli can be physical or chemical na syempre kailangan ng ating mga sense organ. Ito ang halimbawa ng mga sensory neuron. They can be unipolar, bipolar, or pseudo-unipolar. Kapag unipolar, you will notice na isa lang ang kanyang stalk na dinadaanan ng mga sensory signals. Ang bipolar naman has two stalk, yung kanyang axon and dendrite. Ang pseudo-unipolar naman, it seems unipolar, but actually dalawa ang kanyang stalk. Alright? Next is motor neuron. Motor neuron process function like this. Brain, motor neuron, to the spinal cord. So, it can be this way also. Spinal cord, motor neuron, and muscle. So, if you notice, motor neuron is actually for the movement of muscles. Example, yung ating skeletal muscle, yung voluntary muscle natin, and smooth muscle, katulad ng muscle sa stomach, and also the cardiac muscle sa ating puso. So that's the pathway for the motor neuron. Okay? They produce movement. The motor neuron is a multipolar neuron. It has many dendrites and axon terminals. Interneuron naman, the in-between neuron, functions like this. Motor neuron to interneuron and to sensory neuron. So, the interneuron relays the information from another neuron to another neuron. Or it can be also like this. Sensory neuron to interneuron and to another motor neuron. Interneuron is also multipolar. So that's it. I hope you learned something in this video clip.